In their chart for number 2.
Yes.
Setting. Let's see. Setting. It goes down. Setting. People and actions. And possible motivations. Good. Yes, Sam?
I correctly spelled Lithuania.
I'm so proud of you. It doesn't. Actually, I'm not surprised.
How do you
But I'm
spell it?
so proud of you.
Wait, no, I didn't. I included 2 L's.
You can do it phonetically. It's not terribly important. Say a village in Eastern Europe. I need Jack, Morgan, and Kelly. Look at this seemingly innocuous. That means like a regular picture of nothing going on. What do you think is happening here? Tell us what's going on.
The setting is in the office building in Paris. Police station, my bad.
Okay. Police station. Okay, where? Paris? Okay. Good. What's going on? Because to me, on your first observation, what did you see?
They're taking people's papers and giving them badges.
Okay. That's what you saw when you first looked at it, right? Taking pictures, people's passports, papers, right? Tell us what's really going on.
The police are distributing Jewish badges after the Germans occupied, like the northern half of France, this is where Paris is.
Okay.
And, they were ordered to require like Jews with the badges.
Okay. So that policeman, the police official, he's giving out the Jewish badges that they have to wear because the Germans have occupied northern France, and they make them wear the badges that identify them as Jewish. What do you think the motivations or pressures might be for that police official? Drew?
If he didn't give out the badges, he would probably be executed. Or if he didn't get everyone, he'd probably be in really big trouble.
Yeah, okay. So if he didn't, what's he doing?
He's labeling.
Okay. Is that his job?
No,
Huh?
no, 'cause the police are like supposed to protect.
Well, but do the police ask for people's papers and IDs and stuff too?
Yeah.
Well, ideally, Kelly, you're right. Yeah, the police should protect. But now, what's his job's changed, right, Kelly?
Yeah.
So he's no longer protecting, is he? So actually, you're more right than I gave you credit for. So now he's doing his job, but his job is to identify Jews, okay? For humiliation, for possible expulsion to labor camps, maybe. And you mentioned Morgan. His pressure was that he might be killed. I mean, do you think he has a choice in his job?
Nope.
Nazis have occupied it. Okay? If you were a police official and you were there, you would have to do that, or else you would face not being able to feed your family, not having a job. So the thing is that people were complicit. That means partly responsible for the Holocaust, even if they felt it was such a small thing they did. Even though he was just doing his job, he was a small part of what helped annihilate the Jews of Europe. So just doing your job is not really an excuse.
What if he was?
He could have been. He could have been hiding. He could have been not identifying himself, or
How do they even know that like people are
Neighbors
Jewish?
would snitch.
Like you could just burn your papers and be like, I don't know where they are.
I'll tell you.
Okay, well,
You could.
people could have big noses. It doesn't make you Jewish.
No, you could. But like, think about the papers that identify you today. You probably have baptism papers. You have records that are out there that you don't even know about, right? That identify you by your, ethnicity, your religion. Yes.
What would happen if, like, you were born Jewish but you converted to Christianity?
Yeah, like what if you weren't practicing Jewish?
Yeah, like Albert Einstein.
I think they was still.
He was agnostic.
Yes, but he was considered Jewish. It didn't matter. it didn't matter that you converted. Do you think Hitler cared if you converted?
No.
Because what? You were still not of the
Aryan
stock,
blonde hair.
the Aryan like race. So he'd be like, nice try, but you're still a Jew.
Blue eyes.
There are like people who say that part of that Hitler had like some Jewish ancestry, but if he did, he must have really hated himself. Yeah. Alright, so tell us what's going on here, Kieran and Valerie. What's happening here?
The setting is in the SS Reserve.
18 miles from Auschwitz.
Guys, you hear that? Where is it?
18 miles from Auschwitz.
They didn't hear you. What is it?
And they are
I'm
in the
sorry.
SS Resort.
It's a resort.
18 miles from Auschwitz.
And Auschwitz was one of the infamous,
Nazi camp.
yes, concentration camps in Poland. Okay? So that's the setting. Tell everybody what you thought when you first saw this picture.
I thought it was the Americans like having a party, like, oh yeah, good victory, like we beat them, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah,
But-
that's what
but-
I was gonna say.
Well, but
That was
no,
awesome.
even still, like, if you just took away that one thing, you could say these were Americans.
Yeah, they're American.
Yeah, I mean, you totally could, you know? So there's so many different uniforms. There's the Army, there's the Army Air Corps, they different, divisions even. So you thought that they were even Americans, and they're celebrating, right? Are they happy looking?
Yeah.
Okay. And they're happy looking. They're at a resort, 18 miles away from Auschwitz, the concentration camp. Tell us what they've been doing. What's their day job?
They were killing Jews.
They were killing Jews. They're identified as SS, which is the security squadron. The SS was the elite group of Army officers and intelligence officials. Thousands of SS people were the ones responsible for the concentration camps and the final solution, the Holocaust of the killings. Okay? So yeah, you see them happy and stuff, and yet they're barely far enough away to not smell the stench of the thousands of bodies that are killed every day in Auschwitz.
That's good.
So they take a break from the killing, right?
Yeah.
The ladies are identified as assistants, processing assistants. It's a camp. You have to get provisions, there are invoices, there are things to buy, make sure the water's running, that there's gonna be food, and I'm talking about for the Germans. Okay? It was a job. It was a big job, Had to make trains run on time. It won't run itself. And yet, there they are, taking a break. Looking like humans, like people. They don't look like monsters. Who has 5?